Now here we come to the third type of plan, which is known as policies. So policies can be defined as organization's general response to a particular problem or situation. A general response, organizational's general response to a particular problem or situation is known as policy. In other words, it is the organization's own way of handling the problem. That means that the organization is itself is free to handle their problem in their own way through policies. They are made at every level because the managers at every level need to decide or predetermine the way of handling a situation, and policy act as a guideline to take the decision in unexpected situations. So policies are made at every level. That means it is made at top level also, it is made at bottom level also, it is made at the middle level also, because the managers at every level need to decide the way of handling a situation, and policy act as a guidelines or a framework to take the decision in unexpected situations. So policy formulation always encourages the initiatives of the employees, because the employees have to deal with situations and the way of handling the situation is decided in consultation with the employees. That means that policy is not just like we are just मतलब हवा में नहीं बन रही है. It is being made under the initiatives or consultation with the employees. Then they will be able to handle the situation in much better way. Why we are making the policies under the initiatives or under the situations as per the managers, just because, or under the consultation of the employees, because finally the employees or the managers have to take the decision or have to handle the situation in a much better way. So the major policies are made to known to all the stakeholders such as clients, suppliers, competitor, customers, etc. Whereas minor policies are for internal use and made to known to insiders only with minute details. If we see an example of, or if we take an example, purchase policy may include from how many suppliers company should purchase, what is the criteria for choosing among the policy. That means a policy is made that regarding the organization, that no credit sale policy is to be made by maker or the buyer. So this will be known as the part of policies. So if we see the features of the policy, the first feature is that it is totally based on the objectives. That is the first one. Second one is it guides the manager to implement the strategy, because through policy only the strategies can be implemented. The third one is policy is organization's customized way of handling the problem or the situation. Customized way means the personalized way of the managers to handle a particular situation or particular problems. The fourth and the last is that the policies define broad parameters within which a manager may function. That means policy is a different type of plan and then the other methods or rules, because it is a broad parameter within which a manager may function. There are certain policies of the organization under which the manager may function. There are certain parameters, there are certain ways, certain methods to handle a customized way of the problems and it is totally based on the objective of the organization, and the implementation of the strategies is guided to the various managers at the various levels of the organization. So this is all about the policies which is coming under the standing plans.